So there are four things you can exercise. There's four parts of you that you can improve and work on and keep healthy or keep unhealthy. So you can go to the gym and exercise your physical body. You can read stuff and think and exercise your mental body, mental energy. And then you have emotional body and emotional energy. And then you just have your like energetic body, like your channels, your kundalini, your chi, your life force. And in society, mostly what's exercised is the mental, because most people work 9 to 5 jobs and office jobs, okay, either that or just hard work. So mental energy, mental stress, mental strain, mental exercise, mental work is mostly represented. And then after that is physical. Emotional energies are underdeveloped, so they're even below zero. And an energy just like life force energy that you get through yoga, qigong, martial arts, like reiki, prana, these things are just zero. And it's taken a toll on people. For example, I've taken so much time on my emotional body and my energy body and my mental body that my physical body is starting to sort of crave for attention. And that's why nowadays I don't read anything anymore because I've read so much, and I'm just focusing on my physical body. So not a lot of thinking, not a lot of emotional work because I've done a lot of that. Not a lot of energy work because I've done a lot of that. So just push-ups, pull-ups, stuff like that. And society and most people need to lay off, the ones that are just physical need to lay off that for a while, and the ones that are just mental need to lay off that for a while and focus on emotional health and life force. So just circulating the energy, prana, chi, and respecting that.